जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात हमरा द्राविण उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे। गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय। स्वाधीनता दिवस की जय स्वाधीनता दिवस की जय। जय जवान जय किसान जय जवान जय किसान जय जवान जय किसान। जय महात्मा गांधी की जय जय महात्मा गांधी की जय जय महात्मा गांधी की जय। थैंक यू।
अब भी जिसका खून न खोला खून नहीं वो पानी है। जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है। This dialogue is from the Rang De Basandi, which gives goosebumps to listener, but it suits this fighter who sacrificed their lives. Exactly 74 years ago, 15 August 1947, our country got freedom from the British rule. Freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more list goes on. Here I am Jeeta. Welcome to our channel, and today is the Independence Day. So happy Independence to all our YouTube family and all the Indians. I am proud to be an Indian and I am very proud to born in India. So happy Independence Day once again. India will celebrate 75th Independence Day. Before independence, India was a British colony, and during that period, our people have suffered a lot and sacrificed their life. People who have been born after independence must feel proud as they are fortunate to born in an independent India. Therefore, they must acknowledge the sacrifice of our British freedom fighter. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian and proud to born in an independent India. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several resolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters. We should not forget the sacrifices of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and millions of others whose names are not even known, but they fought to make India from colonial rule of Britishers. Like every year, the tricolour will be unfurled from the Red Fort, Old Delhi, by the Prime Minister of India. On this day, the citizens pay respect to all the great leaders who sacrificed their life for the freedom of India. And however, in this year, it is the time of COVID-19, so there will be no celebrations in a grand way. Earlier, it was celebrating in a grand occasion. People means practices parade, sing patriotic song, but now in this COVID-19, every thing has stopped. No celebrations were taking place. In some institutions, some of the peoples are gathered and they host the national flag and song the national anthem. In this way, in this year, Independence Day are celebrated. Okay, so earlier, the chief means now also the chief minister of the state hosts the national flag parades, and they see the parades prepared by the people and appreciate them. All the schools and colleges and in university also host flags in their office, and students also decorate their schools classroom with the picture of the freedom fighter and prepare some patriotic dance and songs and perform in the stage in perform in the stage in front of the teachers. Okay, and not only in India but the foreign but in foreign countries also, people celebrate Independence Day by singing the national anthem and by distributing the sweets. Even today also we have many soldiers who live their luxurious life to protect our nations and all. And many what took place like Pulwama attack recently and Indo-China war or Kargil war. But the Indian soldier proves their enemy, that they are not trying to compromise or give any type of mercy. So how you like my speech about the Independence Day? Comment below, and happy independence to all the Indians. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। जे मा समले ओंग साइराम। आपण माने केंदा अछन? मुई तो भल अच्छे, आशा करछे आपण माने भी भल थिबे। तो आज का 15 अगस्त है। तो आज होचे फ्रेंड्स 15 अगस्त। आजर दिने आमे स्वाधीनता पाइथिलु। एटा होचे 75तम स्वाधीनता दिवस। यही माने यही स्वाधीनता दिवस रे आमे आम निज नारे आमे नाउरी हेलु। आके आमे बढ़वाली आमे पराधीन थिलु। 1947 मसीहा अगस्त 15 तारिख रे आमे समस्ते स्वाधीनता पाइथिलु। तो इंग्रेज माने शासन आगो करुथिले। तापरे आमे इंग्रेज मानकनु रक्षा पाइबार आमे निजर हिसाब आमे निजे रहलु। आमर बड़ बड़ महापुरुष माने संविधान संग्राम जोगई थिले। तो से माने होउछन महात्मा गांधी, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जवाहरलाल नेहरू। यही महापुरुष माने स्वाधीनता संग्राम पाइबा पाई जीवन देइथिले आम देश लगी। ताक लगी आमे एछन आगे बढ़ीछू। आपण मानकू गुटे कथा कहूचे जे आमे समस्ते निजर माँ बापा मानकू भल सम्मान देऊ, आउ छुआ मानकू स्नेह दऊ। तो एतकी मुई कही करी रोचे। आउ मोर ये वीडियो के देखबे आपण माने भल लागले लाइक टिए कर देबे। तो बाय, टाटा।